Mbere ya mucirithania Edward Mureithi wa igoti nene ria Kirugu ya kaunti ya Kirinyaga kwirwo atatu a njuragano ya muiritu ukuru wa miaka 22 kuma mwena wa Gicugu makinyirio igoti-ini niguo gwitika thitango iria imagumeire. Atatu aya nio Collins Muchira, John Brian Kimotho Kamau na Stephen Muchiri Karani makuruhanitio na kuragwo kwa Jacqueline Waruguru Kathuri tariki 16 mweri muhituku, thitango iria mareganire nacio.
Yes, they've been certified fit to plead and we already filed the reports. We humbly request the court to issue an order of a pre-bail report.
Ihoya ria mawakiri ao ria kurekererio na bodi rikireganwo nario ni mwena wa thitango ukiuga mahitia maria mathitangitwo namo mari na uritu munene na no nginyanagia afitha wa probation aheane ripoti yake.
We have information that they have not been living within the vicinity or within the surrounding of the home, so we need to get some information on the surrounding of where they have been living so that we can confirm whether they are fit to be granted a bond.
Mucirithania Mureithi akiuga ndaiganire na itumiri heanitwo ni mwena wa thitango cia kugiria atatu aya marekererio na bodi kuria amarekereirie na bodi ya ciringi 500 o mundu kana kindu kia muigana wa mbeca ici. Cira wao ugathikiririo tariki 3 mweri-ini wa gatatu mwaka ukite.
You have people who can stand surety for you, and having not had any compelling reasons from the DPP, I will grant bail to the 3 accused. Mwiri wa Jacqueline Waruguru wahithukirio mugunda-ini wa kahua itura-ini ria Ninga-ini ari murage kuria ambite kunyitwo kia hinya agatinangio guoko na nyondo na agicoka guitiririo acid mwiri-ini wake. Maafitha borithi ni macokirie guikia ngono mwikuirwo Collins Muchiri uria wacokire gutwara maafitha aya kuri John Brian Kimotho Kamau na Stephen Muchiri Karani. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Gathoni Wang'ang'a.